Please, guys, guys, please, guys. I don't even have a one like. I only have a one like, only one comment on. Like, guys, please, I ask you what you're doing. That means I am not a part of YouTube, but you guys turned away when I liked your video, when I liked your videos and share and comment, but you you didn't even like or subscribe or share my videos. But I don't care because of God, it's God. And please, guys, you are not liking or subscribing or doing anything to my videos, but I have liked your videos and do everything to your videos, but you turned away. Even though I need your life, you turned away. And that made me so bad from inside. I won't try because it's YouTube. They will that I am like just pranking people to just like and subscribe and follow to my videos and just do anything or do them all, please. Please, guys, like and subscribe and follow to my videos. I'm not just doing some joke. I am doing a real thing to just get likes from you. Be kind, trust me. But Jesus is watching you. God is watching you. May God bless you who likes you. Please listen to this message before midnight. Listen to me. God is watching you and God is gonna make all your videos that have likes. Just get it. I get it. If you don't want to like and subscribe, please like and subscribe. But if you don't, I don't even know what I can do. But if you don't, I don't care as long as God is watching me. And someday maybe I will get likes from good people, not just you guys, other people who are new in TikTok, in YouTube, and guys, please watch my videos. I don't get any likes, I don't get anything. I even watch your videos, I even like them, but you won't listen.